Welcome to the Copeland Mobile video tutorial series. Today we're reviewing Copeland Mobile's cross-reference feature. This feature will assist you with replacing a compressor, part, or other Copeland product. Let's get started. If you haven't already, download Copeland Mobile from the App Store for iPhones or Google Play for Android phones. If you're using a computer, you can access it via the desktop version from our Copeland Mobile webpage. Once installed, create a login. If you're already using the app, just make sure it's updated to the newest release with Scout. Click on the Copeland Mobile app to open. Copeland Mobile's cross-reference feature lets you compare Copeland replacement products as well as compare competitive compressors to Copeland compressors. For this example, we will compare Copeland products. To choose a product type, click on the drop-down menu and select compressor, condensing unit, or service part, and then click OK. We'll select compressor. Next, type in the model number. We'll enter ZPS 104 KCE-TF5-130 and click Next. Copeland Mobile offers an active replacement. You can click Compare to see specs for the original model, and then Submit to see a side-by-side comparison of the compressors. You can also export this comparison into a PDF. Continue scrolling down and you'll have options to see performance, mechanical, electrical, and what's inside. At the bottom, you have the option of adding to your wish list or contacting CTS, Copeland Technical Specialist, for more assistance. Next, I'll demonstrate how to compare a competitive compressor with a Copeland compressor. Click on the drop-down menu for Copeland to Copeland and select Competitor to Copeland. Next, under Company Name, click on the drop-down menu and select the compressor brand and click OK. For this example, we'll select Tecumseh and click OK. Then enter a model number. We'll use AWA 9512ZXN. When finished, click Next. At this point, we can click on the replacement and learn more about the Copeland model, and then click Submit to compare the compressors side by side. If I decide this is the compressor I want, I can go back and click on the Copeland model. I select my refrigerant, and then I'm presented with additional options. I can learn where to purchase, performance details, and more. You can also skip a few steps. If you have the compressor or unit in front of you, on the home page, use your Copeland mobile camera, which is found at the top right. After you touch it, select Capture Image and take a photo of the nameplate. If you already have a photo of the nameplate, you can find it in your gallery of photos. Select Upload Image, and the app will attempt to find the corresponding product. In this case, I'm using a ZP236 KCE compressor. The product information appears, and I select the correct refrigerant. Once again, I'm presented with options and can select cross-reference to find my replacement and corresponding details. To recap, you've learned how to compare Copeland products for a replacement product, as well as finding a replacement compressor for a competitive model. And you've learned how quickly this information could be found by using a compressor nameplate and the Copeland mobile camera. That's it. Now you're ready to use the cross-reference feature on the Copeland mobile app.